Alright, what's up guys? It's Kostef here and welcome to November 1st vlog. Today we're going to be headed towards the fan mail box because a couple of you guys have been tweeting that you sent us cool stuff. So we're going to head there and go get some lunch as well. Why are you hiding behind a tree? What time do they close? 7? We're good. Alright, we're getting Chinese or Subway?
I'm getting Subway. I saw the Chinese store and I'm like, nope, I'm getting Subway.
I'm getting Chinese then. I like how we're all rocking our friend's apparel. Oh.
Scarce apparel.
Besides Chris. Oh. Alright, well I am completely full of Chinese food now. I'm fucking stuffed. But we're back at this place. Wretched's back! Dude, long time no see. How you doing? I love this one. Open on Kostef Vlogs!
Don't ignore me!
Don't ignore me! Whoa, shit, I almost dropped all this mail. I guess it's been a while since we've been here to check the fan mail boxes. It's definitely a lot more than there used to be. Ugh. It was nice seeing Wretched again. Yeah. If you guys remember him from the early Kostef vlogs, he was our UPS guy, and he looks exactly like one of our good YouTuber friends named Wretched. I'm sure you guys have heard of him.
Oh shit!
I wasn't filming you, I was filming the store.
Yeah?
What is this thing? How do we fit it in the car?
Who said that?
I'm hoping that's a painting.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah, if there was a big piece of art, that'd be
I know
so sick.
a girl tweeted us today saying like, please check the P.O. box. So like it hurt. She was like digital art or something like that.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, because next to the weapons you guys send us, the artwork's like my favorite thing. But yeah, we're gonna head back to the house and unbox all this stuff. And we're gonna wear our seatbelts. Alright, well we're gonna go ahead and start off with this one because he made sure, hey guys, look, I found Sharp's hairline. Don't forget me, open on Kostef's vlogs. Psych, open me on video. Alright, all of your channels are dying. Here's some oatmeal from lex.vr88.jt. That's his Instagram.
Dude, what is this? First one I see is me.
That's obviously gone.
It looked like gum, but I saw the crispy on the side.
What is it?
Hot dog flavored Pringles.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, that's nasty sounding.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is actually pretty awesome.
So cool.
You must have crippling depression.
Mark.
Oh my god!
What the god? The mouth moves, what?
Hey guys.
Dude, that's crazy. Oh wow. Hey Kos, this is some fan art I drew for you guys. The marble drawing was drawn on paper. I laminated it so it wouldn't get ruined. You know us just way too well. That is the cutest fucking thing ever. That's gonna be the new marble emote. Thank you for laminating it. That way it'll last longer than the time it takes to film this video.
Is there somewhere in that note that's an explanation on why you
I'm getting to it.
I'm assuming you didn't have paper big enough.
The others I
better be it.
The others I drew on my iPad and put them into a picture frames for you guys to have. Just want to show my appreciation for all the laughs you've gotten out of me. And what better way to do that than to draw some sick portraits of you guys. I didn't get to draw the whole squad, but I am happy to make the rest of the house portraits if they want one. Sharp definitely wants one.
Honestly,
He's salty.
now I don't want one.
Yeah, you do.
If I wasn't in the original ones, I don't want just a pity picture.
Hopefully you guys like
So
them.
good.
The 2 days it took to draw them was worth it. See, it took her forever to draw, or him forever to draw these. And shout out to my bro. He's the one that introduced me to your channel. His name is Michael. Would never have known about you guys if it wasn't him. My name is Ali A.
Oh no, Aaliyah. Oh, you always Aaliyah here. What's
It's
going on,
spelled like
boys?
Ali A. It's
Like-
spelled
Yeah, look,
exactly.
it says this next sentence.
It's the next sentence in parentheses. It's Aaliyah, not Ali A. Most people will say my name that way. Don't worry if you butcher it. See? Thanks for all the laughs. Keep up the good work. P.S. Sorry about the lame, cheap picture frames. I'm broke as fuck. No, these are actually fucking awesome. Dude, Chaos is as sick as fuck.
Whoa, it's like half him, half.
Yeah. Whoa.
But this is the Chaos one.
And this is the Kostef one. These are actually really fucking good. Chaos's one's really creative where you got like his both sides.
Must be nice. Thanks, Ali A. Appreciate it.
Pumpkin spice Oreos.
And then some Japanese instant boobs.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to put those on? Oh, Chaos. You know, I put a note on Chaos so you know why. I'm not even sure what this is. This is some Japanese, like, fake boobs. Miso soup. Sea salt chocolates. Candy corns. Who is the person that said they like candy corns in this house?
I don't like candy corn.
I hate candy corns. I think it was Chaos that said he liked candy corns. We'll definitely make sure he gets those. Some wasabi peas, wasabi coated green peas,
It's like you get this for your candy video.
some shrimp ramen noodles, grilled dried yellow jack.
Oh, it's fish, isn't it?
Dried fish. That's I'm not even I'm Asian enough to think that's cool. Candy corn Oreos. They go
Oh
with
my god, candy. Ew.
And they weren't kidding. They sent us a whole shit ton of oatmeal. Oh, and a fake mustache. A Hitler mustache. Hail Führer, Sharp. Be the change. That's you. And it put Sharp's little swastika looking logo on it
What
too.
the fuck?
Thank you so much, Lex, for sending us all this stuff. Alright, this is a power cord. He goes, hey Cos, I'm a huge fan of your videos. I was subbed to your first channel when you made 4 Idiots Play Minecraft. I'm also the one who sent you the bong. They sent us a bong?
Oh,
Is one of these a bong? No, I mean, we haven't gotten a bong yet, but if you sent us one, that's pretty funny. My friend bet me you would follow me on Twitter. @StopTheButtSex. Keep up the great vids. Alright, thank you so much, Stop the Butt Sex, for sending a universal flat power panel power cord.
How do you get this to work?
There's instructions on the back.
Yeah, I just can't read that.
Alright, and then you've got to...
Oh! Nazi! Nazi!
what happened?
Janine!
How'd that happen?
Janine!
Yeah, boom. Instant boobs.
Oh, they're inflating.
Do they feel real?
Oh, yo, Sharp, you got one in. This is more art
I got some art.
from
Look at the nipples.
Adria.
Show the nipples. Adria.
Okay, I did a bunch of graffiti. Oh, wait, it's two.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, who is that for?
No.
Who is this from?
Adria.
Alright, Adrian, alright, let's show them here. Give them all to me, I'll show them.
Yo, this is fucking straight flame. One of my boobs fell off. Hold
Oh,
on.
look at it.
This first one is Sharp. It's like a graffiti piece with a llama. Alright, and the next one is for Fuya. And I'm guessing that's her wearing like a TK hoodie. Might have to copy that design. I need to go hit up our design guys. And this is Chaos. Look how fucking ridiculous
I
that
just wanted
is.
to say you are flat out amazing and funny as fuck. I've been watching y'all for years. But yeah, love you guys. No homo.
Oh wow, that actually looks like Crispy.
Yo, Young Pie, thank you for the artwork. Now that I got tits, I think I want my pity drawing.
Oh look, he even did one for Ham. And it's a drunk pig, how awesome. And the last one is gone, but you're a couple months late on that one. Just kidding. Thanks.
Thank you, Adria.
Thank you, Adrian.
Thank you.
We got this lovely gift from No Name
Whoa,
for
whoa, whoa!
Chaos. Got some tampons.
No way! No, dude, you're gonna love this.
Oh, okay.
Holy shit!
What the fuck is that? That is the coolest thing ever. Oh my god.
Who's Marvel?
Let me go get Marvel.
Wait, what the fuck did we get a dog?
Even the eyes are one
That
blue.
is so good.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Favorite thing to get in fan mail to me is the fucking art.
Yeah,
Y'all be
for all
killing
of, that's
Dude,
for all of us.
that's so cool. Look. Check it out, Marvel. That's you.
Look at the
That's
eyes too. That's like the coolest thing ever.
That's you.
He has a suit. That's crazy.
Oh my
And he's
God.
holding our little Nerf gun that's like painted wicked as fuck. That's so cool.
Thank you, Allie. Appreciate the
It was
majestic
actually-
piece of art.
It's actually Aaliyah, but she says people get it confused with
Yeah.
Allie.
Oh, well, thanks to Leo, Allie.
We're gonna scour Twitter to find out who the fuck made this. But this is the fucking coolest thing that I think we've ever gotten art-wise. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bark, bark.
Jesus. Fuck. What is?
Yo, Papa Cos, I know how much you love Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and I just thought I'd send this to you because it's been sitting around. I've been meaning to send this to you for a while, so can't wait for you guys to come back to Atlanta. I can finally go out more, so if you guys do any fan meetups, I'll definitely be there. P.S. Praise Southern. Oh, the Almighty Pandas. You fucker, stop. I know who you are, the Almighty Panda. I see you in my chats all the time. Oh, it's in a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comic book.
Lucky.
All right, so we think this is the person that sent the marble painting because she's been tweeting at Fuya and me saying to check our fan mail, and some of the artwork that she does looks similar. So if you're the one who sent the marble painting, thank you so much. We're definitely gonna cherish it forever, and we'll definitely hang it in a really prominent place in our next house.
And if you're not the one that sent it,
We'll probably edit it out and find out who you are later.
you're welcome for the free shout out.
All right, Gio, thank you so much for all the artwork. Someone else sent us a bunch of drawings.
Dude, these smell really nice.
So here's Costex one. We got a Chaos one. We got a Sharp one. I don't know why he drew a McDonald's M on it, but There's Sharp's one, and then we got a crispy one, and they made them into a pineapple. Hopefully Marble will like the fan art. I spent a lot of time on this, and I'll be making ones for Costa, Sharp, Chaos Theory, and Puya, and Gone if he would ever come back. Finally, tell Chaos there's no ghost. Tell Sharp his hairline is okay. Tell Costa that he'll hit 1 mil eventually.
Yeah, probably.
It's a serious-
What the fuck is that? You fucking whore.
Did you suck on the tampon pad?
I just changed my tampon.
Or,
He caught it.
or my maxi pad.
Ooh, shit. Ooh, Evan Collar. Why does it smell like that?
Sincerely, Rick Harrison, and there's the drawing of Marble. Alright, well thank you guys once again for sending all the cool stuff to the fan mailbox. Thank you to everybody that sent us artwork. We know you guys spent a lot of time on that stuff. And huge shout out to whoever sent Chaos boobs again.
That's the coolest thing.
Framing it.
It really is.
Did you notice the concept vlogs in the background?
Yeah, I might notice anything. It's fucking Marble's fucking godlike.
Yeah.
Look at the colors on the gun. It's just so fucking cool. Can't wait to hang this like in the foyer of our new house.
Oh, yeah.